Dear friends and followers, welcome back to my channel and to another new video. So in this video we are gonna learn how to make GIFs as your wallpaper. So GIFs are the images that continuously loop and they make a wallpaper or they make a GIF. So in this case we are gonna make it a wallpaper. So I'll show you what GIF am I currently having on my phone. So if you want like this as well, then you have to watch this entire complete video. So guys, before heading on, there are some coupons below in the description box below only for maybe speakers, so you can apply that code and you can get some good discount. So keep your smartphones and your favorite GIF ready and let's get started. So hi guys, and now what you have to do is just open your Play Store, then download this GIF Live WallPaper app. There will be a link in the description box below, and then you just can go to Chrome and go to giphy.com. There will be a link in the description box below and you can download the best GIFs that you can get here. And then what you have to do is just open that GIF Live WallPaper app. Now here what you have to do is change the mode and keep it as GIF, so it would be like GIF selected. I'll just close this ad because okay, so I'll close that ad, and then now you have to take that GIF, and then in the downloads I have my GIF right there. So I'll just take this GIF. So I have got this GIF out right there. Now how can you position it properly? So if you can see, the positioning in this GIF, it's not so good. So what we'll be doing is you have to zoom it in and then you have to select it. So for that you can use this button and then you can take a good help of this. Now what I'll be doing is I'll take it as a full screen GIF, so that it will look like that it is a very normal wallpaper. So some wallpapers might be cut over here and then you might get black patches. To not to get that black patches, you just can use the color picker tool and use that option. But for my case this looks much better. So here you can click and just use the color picker tool, or you even can use this color gradients that they give. So here is how this GIF is looking, and then you have to click on this tick mark button, preparing the images, and you have to click here to set as the wallpaper. So what I'll do is I'll click on set wallpaper. Now it will ask home screen or lock screen. I'll do it as home screen. So, and I'll just close this ad. That's all guys. Now if you look, this looks good and very smooth as well, and this GIF is almost covering my entire screen. So I hope you like this video. Then please do like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet on next one, and before leaving this video please do check the description box below so that you will get some kind of discounts, coupons. So do check it out. Bye bye and stay tuned.